The cryptocurrency market is a volatile ocean where some assets can suddenly shoot up and others can lose value. One of the most expected phenomena in this market is the alt season. But what is this phenomenon? How to recognize it and when to wait for it? Let's break it down. You're watching the Blockoria channel, where we make the complex understandable with analogies and examples. We appreciate your time. Subscribe so you don't miss out on new helpful videos. Alts, or altcoins, are all cryptocurrencies except Bitcoin. The term includes such well-known coins as Ethereum, Ripple, Cardano, Solana, as well as thousands of lesser-known tokens. Bitcoin is the pioneer and flagship of the market, accounting for the majority of capitalization. Alts are alternative cryptocurrencies that offer new technologies, features, or applications. Example: if Bitcoin is the gold of the cryptocurrency market, alts are the silver, copper, and even gems. What is an alt season? The alt season is a period when altcoins show significant price gains, often outperforming Bitcoin. It is a time when investor capital shifts from Bitcoin to altcoins, causing the market to spike. Signs of altcoin season: Bitcoin's dominance, its share of total market capitalization, declines. A sharp rise in the prices of multiple altcoins. Increased trading volumes on exchanges, especially in pairs with altcoins. Imagine Bitcoin as a giant tree in the forest that is always the center of attention. The alt season is when other plants and trees begin to grow vigorously, drawing everyone's attention. When is the alt season? The exact timing of the alt season is difficult to predict, but it usually occurs under certain conditions. After Bitcoin rises, when the Bitcoin price reaches new highs or stabilizes, investors start looking for more lucrative opportunities. Low Bitcoin dominance: if Bitcoin's market share is declining, e.g. below 40 to 45%, it signals that capital is flowing into alts. Market optimism: the alt season most often occurs during a bull market when overall interest in cryptocurrencies is high. What are the pros and risks of the alt season? Pros: high returns. During the alt season, you can earn hundreds of % profit in a short period of time, especially on promising altcoins. Portfolio diversification: investing in altcoins allows you to spread risk and participate in new technology trends. Affordability: many altcoins cost less than Bitcoin, making them attractive to novice investors. Risks: high volatility. Altcoins can not only rise quickly, but also fall just as quickly. Scam projects: many fraudulent tokens enter the market during the hype, which can depreciate in value after the alt season. FOMO and rookie mistakes: fear of missing out on profits. FOMO causes inexperienced investors to buy at the peak, leading to losses. In one of our videos, we have already told in detail what FOMO is and how to avoid making mistakes for novice investors. You're watching the Blockoria channel, where we make the complex understandable with analogies and examples. We appreciate your time. Subscribe so you don't miss out on new helpful videos. How to behave during the alt season: do your own analysis. Do not invest everything in one asset. Set goals. Be prepared for sharp drops. Will there be an alt season in 2025? Many analysts believe that 2025 could be the year of a new alt season, especially if interest in blockchain technology, meta-universes, and DeFi continues to grow. Famous alt seasons in history. To understand how to prepare for the next alt season, it's important to look to the past. We'll cover some of the most colorful alt seasons in history, why they started, how altcoins skyrocketed, and what went wrong. These lessons will help you not to repeat the mistakes of the past and make the most of future opportunities. The 2017 to 2018 altcoin season, ICO boom. This period was the first major alt season and coincided with a massive increase in interest in cryptocurrencies. What happened? ICO's initial coin offering became a popular way to fund blockchain projects. New projects such as Ethereum, Ripple, Litecoin, and others grew tenfold in a matter of months. Case in point, the price of Ethereum went from approximately $8 in early 2017 to over $1,400 in January 2018. Why it came? Bitcoin hit its first historic peak, $20,000, and investors were looking for cheaper and more promising assets. A huge influx of newcomers to the market attracted by fast money. How it ended? The upswing was followed by cryptozyme, a massive market correction. Many ICO projects turned out to be fraudulent or failed, leaving investors with losses. Alt season 2021, DeFi and NFT boom. This period was the second notable alt season and was associated with the emergence of new technologies and solutions. What happened? Decentralized finance boom. DeFi. Projects like Uniswap, Avi, Compound became popular. The growth of the NFT market, tokens on Ethereum, and beyond became a new form of digital art. Example: Solana went from approximately $1 in early 2021 to approximately $260 in November. Why it's coming? Bitcoin hit new highs again, $64,000 in May 2021. Popularization of Web3 and meta-universe ideas. Market liquidity increased due to stimulus and low interest rates in the economy. How it ended? At the end of 2021, the market started to decline. High inflation and Fed policy tightening caused the cryptocurrency market to fall in 2022. Factors that could contribute to an alt season in 2025. Potential continuation of the bull market after the next Bitcoin halving. Development of new technologies such as Web3 and meta-universes. Growing interest in tokens related to AI and eco-friendly projects. As with any investment, success depends on your preparation, analysis, and ability to control your emotions. If you're ready for the alt season of 2025, pay attention, but don't forget that in the market, it's always better to act with calculation rather than impulse. And remember, sometimes it is better to miss one wave than to get swept up in it. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Blockoria, share this video with friends, and leave your questions in the comments. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching Blockoria. Our goal is to make the world of cryptocurrencies easier to understand in order to accelerate its development. With your support, we will be able to create new high-quality videos, making crypto education accessible to everyone. If you like our project, support us by donating. It's an investment in your knowledge, and the world of the future will be better. We're happy to share our partners' referral links with you. By using these links, you may receive bonuses, prizes, and commission discounts.